Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make enchiladas de queso using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 12 corn tortillas, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and 1 large can of your favorite red enchilada sauce. You'll also need about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil for a quick fry, and a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure everything cooks perfectly. Now let's prepare the tortillas. Heat about 1/4 cup of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Quickly fry each corn tortilla for about 10 to 15 seconds per side, just until it's soft and pliable, not crispy. This step prevents them from breaking. Next, dip each softened tortilla into the enchilada sauce, ensuring both sides are coated. Then, place about 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese down the center of each tortilla. Once filled, carefully roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Arrange them snugly in a single layer. After all the enchiladas are rolled and in the dish, pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top. Finally, sprinkle the rest of your shredded cheese generously over the sauced enchiladas. This creates a delicious, bubbly topping. Bake your enchiladas in the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Once baked, let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and makes them easier to handle. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cheese enchiladas. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.